Wolf, the fielder, with a 3-2. Hit hard, base hit into right. Martinez has a strong arm. He'll go to third. It's cut off by Iglesias. And DeShields, who read it well and runs well, scores the game's first run on a base hit from Prince Fielder.
Well, Randy Wolf kind of catches a break there. That Prince Fielder did not get under this ball because he hit it hard. Throws a little cutter over the middle of the plate. Was trying to go in, missed middle, just like I was talking about. Look at that swing. Look at the bounce of the head right over the middle of the plate, not going forward on that back leg as well. And if he got under that ball, he would have hit it a long way. And that's a smart play by J.D. Martinez. If you're thinking he had a shot at DeShields, he did not. And what he allows there is that still to be a first and second situation by coming up.